In this video, I will be showing you how to remove Copilot from the Windows 11 context menu. Let's get started. First, I am opening the Copilot application right from my desktop shortcut to see it in action. I click on the icon, and the main interface pops up where I can interact with the AI assistant or look at my previous chat history. To test out its response, I select one of the suggested prompts about financial mistakes that young adults make. I click on it, hit the send button on the right, and wait a moment for the AI companion to generate its web search results. As the detailed financial tips, advice, and comparison tables load on screen, I scroll down through the text to review everything it has provided. After exploring the application, I decide it is time to close this window and completely remove it from my system. I close the application window and return to my clean desktop background. Next, I move down to the Windows taskbar and click into the search field at the bottom of the screen. I type in Settings and click on the gear icon to open my system settings panel. Once the Settings application loads up, I look over at the left-hand sidebar menu and click on the Apps category. From the options that appear on the right side of the screen, I navigate directly into Installed Apps to look at all the programs currently running on my computer. I click into the search bar at the top of the app list to quickly locate what I need. I start by typing Co, but then clear it out and type Microsoft to see a broader list of Microsoft applications. I scroll down until I find the main Copilot application entry, which takes up about 2.5 gigabytes of space. I click on the three horizontal dots on the far right of the Copilot row and click Uninstall. A small confirmation message appears warning me that this app and its info will be uninstalled, so I click the Uninstall button once again to proceed. After a brief moment, the system processes the request. Now, I head back out to the desktop and right-click on an empty space to inspect my context menu. I see that the primary shortcut is gone, but I want to make sure every single trace of Copilot is cleared out. I reopen the settings window from my taskbar to look for any remaining secondary installations or related components. I scroll down carefully through the list of installed software under the Microsoft name. I spot an entry titled Microsoft 365 Copilot. Just like before, I click the three dots on the right side of the row, choose the Uninstall option, and confirm it on the pop-up menu. The app is instantly removed from the list. Continuing down the page, I find yet another entry for Microsoft Copilot, your AI companion. I click those three dots, select Uninstall, and when the secondary prompt asks me if I want to remove the app's data from Chrome, I click the final Uninstall button to clean it up entirely. Now that all the related entries are gone, I close out of the settings window. I right-click one last time on my desktop to open the Windows 11 context menu, confirming that Copilot has been successfully and completely removed. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.